1964 Chevrolet C10 regular cab short box here, unique especially in classics. Orange metallic with the silver accents. Riding on 20-inch chrome US mag wheels. Nice stance or rake to this truck. 350 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 700 R4 automatic with overdrive transmission. Power brakes with disc up front, power steering, AC blows cold. New chrome and bright work up front. As you can see, that shows very well. Speaking of which, take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see this truck from every angle, undersides, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Tires up front were just put on a year ago. Ones in the rear just a couple years old, so newer rubber. Also want to mention, it does appear there is a light tint to that side glass, but nothing major. Does have new glass when this truck was restored. Some of the other things that were done recently, front spindles, new carpet. Seats on the interior are TMI charcoal buckets, and we'll get around to the driver's side, check it out a little closer. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. We'll even take it for a drive at the very end of this video. Short box in this truck is a beautiful bed. Look at this, and freshly lacquered. Fuel cell fill is in the rear. Some extra items that are going to go with this truck. We're going to send you a nice newer car cover, looks like. Little Lucas hot rod oil, a battery tender, Wix oil filter, and it looks like some Chevrolet floor mats. Those will go along with it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Rear pan has been rolled. There's a few spots where there's just maybe a little chip here or there, as you can see in the corner. That's being awful fussy. Paint does show well, but you may find an imperfection here or there. Great truck for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. This one will turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds when we open the hood and look underneath that. Like I said, there's a 350 V8 underneath there. It's a rebuilt 350. It does have a Edelbrock 4-barrel on there. Headman headers. There's an aluminum radiator underneath the hood, comp cam in the engine, mother thumper. We're going to check that out in just a bit. If you like these classic trucks, maybe the ones that have been street rotted, maybe like stock ones, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When they are uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase on our website, or of course right off our showroom floor in person if you make it to see us. We always like company. All right, let's take a look at this interior a little closer. Door panels painted to match, and as you can see, newer carpeting, beautiful bucket seats, this nice center console setup with cup holders, armrest, little cubby hole in the center there. Great looking steering column. Does have Dakota Digital aftermarket gauges, a retro sound style radio system, AC blows cold. What more do you want? All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Like I said, we're going to take a peek at that engine bay. Love the sound of this truck. Nice clean dash. Steering wheel, or excuse me, AC controls. Of course, the radio. Push button here to turn it on. All right, sun visors too. Nice to have those. Once in a while we see trucks without them. I believe the odometer shows 3,567. That's how many miles on it since that dash was put in. Door closes nicely, and listen to this. truck. All right, let me slip up to the front here. I want to pop this hood, let you take a peek at the engine bay, and stick around to the very end. Remember, we're taking this truck for a drive. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Here we go. Nice, clean and tidy. There's that aluminum radiator we mentioned, power steering, power brakes, AC, battery disconnect for in between drives or maybe when it's in storage. This one will take home some trophies, no doubt about that. 1964 Chevrolet C10, regular cab, short box, little street rod action. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a beautiful 1964 Chevrolet C10 in a lovely metallic orange color. Retro sound style radio in the dash. That is working well. This truck, very nicely done. Turn signal's working, all our gauges are working. Temperature about 170, volts are over 14. Fuel gauge working, showing 3/4 of a tank, and the oil pressure about 65. Very nice seats. Center storage, matching little seats. This is an automatic on the floor, so it's super easy to drive. That beautiful orange color carries through to the interior. As you can see, my co-pilot is the cover for this truck. It's always nice when it comes with a cover. The bed is a lovely shade of stained wood in this truck. It goes with the orange really well. Nice smooth ride. For larger wheels, it's a very nice ride. Really great power steering, great power brakes. Everything is easy to do in this truck. I have the AC blowing cold. You gotta have AC in the summertime. It is a hot, sticky day, actually, in Minnesota. And the AC is working great. Lovely exhaust note to this truck. Very fun and easy truck to drive. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.